Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover showing you today this Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE finished in black. This 2024 model comes with a D200 diesel engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The front matrix LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility to the driver. And this car stands on 20-inch wheels with the diamond-turned gloss mid-silver contrast finish. There is around 800 litres of usable boot space capacity in this Discovery, allowing for larger luggage items and shoppings to fit with no problem. There is an adjustable parcel shelf as well, and the boot can be closed automatically with just a push of this button here. Stepping into the back, we can see the Light Oyster and Ebony Windsor leather seats with Light Oyster stitching. There are isofix points on either seat in the back, and the armrest can be folded down to reveal 2 cup holders as well as a storage tray. The passengers can also utilise the rear climate control vent with 2 USB-C charging ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the Light Oyster and Ebony Windsor leather with contrasting trims on the dash and doors. There's a look at the large panoramic sunroof, and the front seats do have additional side support for extra comfort on longer journeys, which do include electrical operations with lumbar support. Here's a closer look at the 3-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel, with controls on the left for the volume, voice control and virtual cockpit, and on the right for the cruise control as well as the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display options to best suit driver preference, including digital dials and map as well. Speaking of maps, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access radio as well as standard Bluetooth and FM and DAB, as well as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated and ventilated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. Here we can also access the rear view parking camera, which will help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below the infotainment system, there is a place to store your phone with 2 USB-C charging ports, and the automatic gear selector fits comfortably in the hand and glides effortlessly through the different options. Behind the centre console, there is a set of exposed cup holders, and the leather-wrapped armrest can be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket inside with a USB-C charging port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE. For more information, do get in touch with our sales team now.